Today, we're spilling the bubbly secrets of my DIY bath bomb recipe. Grab your mixing bowl and let's get this party started. First up, we've got 1 cup of baking soda, half a cup of cornstarch, and another half cup of oats. Blend it all up until it's smooth like baby's bottom, or simply use oat flour if you've got it handy. Next, add a tablespoon of coconut oil and 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to the mix. Mix it all together like you're crafting some magical potion. Now here's the fun part. No dogo drama here. This recipe is dog safe because we're skipping citric acid, essential oils, coloring, and Himalayan salt. Mommy doesn't want to deal with any bathwater sipping shenanigans, so be sure your pup doesn't turn the tub into a doggy cocktail lounge. Once everything's mixed up, Mommy takes charge and molds the mixture into delightful shapes she found on Amazon. Press it real hard, folks. We want our bath bombs to be as solid as my doggy determination to chase squirrels. Pop those little wonders into the fridge for a full day of chilling, and the next day, voila! You'll be greeted with a softer version of the original recipe. But hey, it still works like a charm. No sizzling action, but who needs it when you've got a tub full of relaxation? This is the original recipe that Mommy did previously. The real deal. If you're a good pup like me who knows how to behave during bath time, go ahead and give it a whirl. You deserve the full Monty of frizz and froth, my furry friend.